In this video, I will show you how to write description for your profile. I said in the last video that I will make this video series on Fiverr, through which I will show you how to earn from Fiverr using AI services. So let's begin. First of all, search your profile category on Fiverr. You can see many gigs here. Open anyone. Here it is description. It is very important. Buyer came and read it, so it should be well written. Open many such gigs and read descriptions from some profiles and write a description yourself with an idea. But I know you are lazy. You don't have much time. No problem. I'm showing the rule of writing in more shortcuts. For that, open ChatGPT. Write a short description for Fiverr profiles as a boys artist. I am writing here my category boys artist. Then copy it and search undetectable AI. I will humanize the text here. First of all, take to sign up. It's very easy. Click on AI detector and humanizer. Then paste it and click on humanize. Copy again. Go to your Fiverr profile. Click on description. Then paste it. Thanks for watching.